Hi everyone, want to save big on your next SHEIN haul? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the SHEIN coupon and promo codes for max discount. Let's get started. First, open your SHEIN app and you'll land on the home or shop page. Then pick any item you want to buy and tap add to cart once you've made your choice. Then after that, tap the cart icon at the top right corner to view your selected items. Then proceed to check out. Tap checkout and now you're on the order confirmation page. Now select your shipping address, your delivery method, and scroll down to the payment options. Look for the apply coupon section and tap on it. Then, you can manually enter a coupon code here or select the recommended coupons below. Tap apply and discount will show up instantly. And just like that, you've saved money. And that's how you use your coupons on Shein app. Easy, right? If this video helped you, please like and subscribe and comment if you want. Thanks for watching.